Have you ever been in a situation where you needed money to move instantly, and I mean instantly, or everything would fall apart? Because I have. We all know Zelle is fast. It's right there in your Regions Bank app, and for most people, it's great for splitting dinner or paying your roommate. The transfers are typically in minutes, and that's fantastic. But the best time I used Regions Bank Zelle wasn't for convenience, it was for a full-blown emergency. Picture this, it was a Saturday night. I was hundreds of miles from home on a road trip, and I was stranded. Not a dramatic car broke down on a mountain stranded, but just outside a small-town gas station. My card kept getting declined, but only at that specific pump. I'd used the card successfully all day, but for some reason, the station's system was rejecting it. My gas tank was running on fumes, and every single bank in my network, aside from Regions, was closed or had an instant transfer limit too low to get me enough gas to reach the next big city. And let me tell you, that sinking feeling of being stuck far from home with a tank light glaring at you is the worst. I called my brother. He was the only person I could reach, and he was a fellow Regions customer. Now, if he had tried to send me a wire transfer, it wouldn't have gone through until Monday. A standard ACH transfer would take 2 to 3 business days. I was looking at spending the night in a gas station parking lot. But then I remembered, Regions and Zelle are a powerhouse. I told him the exact amount I needed for gas, a bottle of water, and a cheap roadside snack. He logged into his Regions mobile app, went to Pay and Transfer, selected Send Money with Zelle, entered my email address, and hit Send. The total transfer amount was just over $100. I had my phone open to my Regions app, and before I could even say the words, "Are you sure you hit send?" the notification popped up. Money received. The funds were instantly available in my checking account. We're talking less than 60 seconds, from his phone screen to my available balance. I walked straight inside, used my now funded Regions debit card, paid the cashier, and was on the road again. That's the power of having instant, real-time payments integrated directly into your trusted bank. It wasn't just a fast transaction, it was a crisis averted. Regions Bank Zelle wasn't just minutes fast, it was emergency fast. It turned a miserable, stranded situation into a simple, quick pit stop. If you're not taking advantage of Zelle for those peer-to-peer transfers, especially when you know the other person is also enrolled, you are missing out on an incredible financial safety net. It's a tool for convenience, but as I learned that night, it's also a tool for those true, can't-wait-a-minute emergencies. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.